Supporting the community has always been a big part of Wright State University's mission. This is just another example of a chance for us to step up and take care of folks.
The outpouring of generosity from our Wright State community has been tremendous. We created the Wright State Disaster Relief Fund. We're raising funds to put into that. We have about 120 donors in just under 24 hours. We had 10 applications in the first 12 hours. About 60% of those are students, the rest are alumni.
The obvious resource we can offer to these students and staff and faculty at Wright State was emergency housing. We're fortunate because it's the summertime, we've got a lot of capacity here that we can use. Right now we have about 22 individuals there. It includes some faculty families, graduate students, undergraduate students. It's great to be able to see how the relief on their faces and knowing that they've got a safe place to be.
So I partnered up with Wright State XA as well as H2O and a local church to go out and kind of walk through affected communities and kind of help them either clean up the trash or the buildings that have fallen or the trees, and just kind of get it so that it was more manageable so that they could kind of return to their normal state of life. It was amazing to be able to go out and help these people and kind of just do 5 or 10 days of work in a mere 3 hours.
You know, I was holding on to the bathroom door, and glass and debris was just flying underneath the door. We didn't have enough time to even put shoes on. You know, it was just happened so fast that it's a miracle that, you know, we were able to walk out of there.
Batting third, the right fielder, number 15, Chris Hoffman.
The athletic department, you know, they knew what happened to us, and they all started reaching out to my family and I. It's been great seeing, you know, the Wright State community come together in this devastating event that's happened here, and, you know, just from them bringing, you know, water and food and whatnot to, you know, us that have been affected by this disaster has just been wonderful. You know, it makes me so proud of Wright State, really, to be an alumni, you know, of this wonderful university.